This is a game and I'm going to play it because today I'm going to test a side hustle that claims that you can make $150 by just playing a game on your phone for 30 seconds. Will this side hustle work or will it flop? Let's find out. What's up Digital Masters and welcome back to the channel. Now in case you are new here, my name is Thomas and it's nice to meet you. And in this video I'm going to uncover whether you can make money by playing games on your phone. I'm going to share everything that I discover and why this method does or doesn't work. I want to get a little piece of the pie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open my phone and click on my browser. And right here we have the app that we need to download. So I'm just going to click on it right here and go to the website. Okay, so on this website right here, so eSkills, your new side hustle platform. So basically you can play games and make money. I mean, that's the promise. So put your skills up to the test, have fun with competition, compete worldwide, test your skills and become a champion. That's nice. Okay, so I'm going to download it right here. Okay, so how to start? Freecell is downloading. Why am I downloading Freecell? Oh, okay, so I need to download another app in order to make money. So I'm just going to do that. And this is the app that we need to make money. So I'm going to open it, but I'm still a little bit confused at how this works. So I need to launch one. Okay, so here active promotions, and with these things you can make money. So if I just click on one, I don't get anything. Okay, it's getting a bit hard, but I'm going to figure it out. So I found it. Okay, so now I can now download it. Download anyway. I mean, he had probably linked to the wrong app or the wrong website because this is the good app. Okay, so I can open it. Need to change my settings. Install. And now I just need to wait for this app to install. Okay, so let's open it and see what this is all about. Wait, why is this name so familiar? Wait, let me look it up. Oh, I remember. This is an app which I always used to use when I was little, when I didn't want to pay for any games and I could just download them for free via this app. Alright, but we want to earn money, so let's just click on more. And right here we have all kinds of games that we can play. So, okay, what am I gonna do? Let's choose this one. Okay, so I need to install it. Okay, allow. And I'm just going to install this. And how can we make money? Not quite sure. I'm gonna be honest, it's taking me a bit to figure this out, but let's just open this. Okay, let's first just practice and see what do we need to... Oh, nice. I used to play this when I was young. I'm not very good at this. Okay, so and then you need to reach 2048. I mean, that's easy enough. Okay, so are there some more games? Okay, there are some more games. So right here we have a Fruit Blast Master. So let's just download this one. I'm going to install this and let's see what we need to do because I have absolutely no idea. Okay, so we're just going to open this and play this game and see how much money we can make. Okay, so right here, Fruit Blast Master, and it's a dual game and you need to pay $1 to play this game and then you can win $1.50. Or you can do the multiplayer version and then win $6.75. I'm not quite sure what I need to do. Okay, right, it's connected to the AppCoins wallet app already. Wait, but I haven't paid. Oh yeah, there it is. I was almost shitting myself. I thought I had paid for something. Okay, so what you then need to do, guess I don't. Okay, so I'm just pressing and clicking and alright, I've had enough. Okay, so as you saw, we can make money by playing those simple games. And so that brings me to my biggest issue. So in order to play these games, you need to buy. So you need to top up your balance right here for, let's say, maybe 10 euros or maybe a little bit more, whatever you want to do. And then you need to go to your name. So for example, Fruit Blast Master. And then you can entry with the money and then win more. So you need to pay the money up front, but it also means that you could just easily lose that money. Now, I'm not a gamer at all, so I would probably lose my money, but that's also a reason why I do not like this method, because you're basically gambling. Because you can say that you're good at games, but maybe you have someone from a different country who is just amazing at playing video games, and you're going to lose all your money. Also a thing which of course I'm not judging anyone, and I'm not saying that they do this, but they could easily just have robots behind the scenes playing the games, which means that you will just lose your money. And also a big problem that I had is when he showed me this. So when he showed me the method on his phone, he was showing me right here that he had made $88 or even more, that he had made more than $100. But if you can just top up your balance right here, that means that he could just easily have added $100 right there and then showed it to the camera and told everyone, hey, I made this money, because everyone can do that. So I'm not so sure about this method. And so I did a little research, and you can indeed make money by playing these games, but it's just really risky. It's not a good way to make money online. So what do I recommend you do? First of all, if you really want to make money online, you need to build a real business or side hustle, meaning do something like affiliate marketing, freelancing, drop shipping, print on demand, like build a real business. That is the only way that you are going to make a lot of money, by starting a YouTube channel, a TikTok channel account, Instagram account, whatever you want to do. Those are real online businesses. And if you want to see my recommendations and how I build my businesses, then you can check out the free Digital Mastery cheat sheet below, which contains simple step-by-step on how I build my businesses. And if you want to see me try to make money by typing names, then you can click the video right here. But for now, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.